warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mahdi bin Muhammad Norizal. My matrix number is 2021487276 and I am from class CS110 So today I'm gonna present to you about my MIT project, and that is called car rental system. So as you can see right here, this is my car rental app. So when we press the app, it will go to the login interface first. Right here, as you can see, we have to put our username and password to access. So right now, we go to sign up first. Okay, since we are new, we need to put our Gmail, username, phone number and password. So right now, I will put the Gmail first. I will put the username, the phone number 1234, and the password I will put 1234 as well. So we will press enter. So right now we already registered. So at the login, we will put our username. I will put Adi. My password will be 1234. We enter. Okay, right now it's login successful. So right here, after we log in, it will direct you to the location. So right now, for example, I am from UiTM Tapa, so I will choose UiTM Perak. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is what the car available in UiTM Perak. So right now, I'm going to choose Honda Jazz, the first one. I will order it, and it will go to the order page. So as you can see right here, it will display the car Honda Jazz, category hatchbacks, and price is 7 ringgit, and hour is up to us. How many hours do we want to choose? For example, 5. So right now, I probably don't want to order Honda Jazz, so I will go back, and I will probably choose Pro 2 Beza. Okay, so it will display the car Pro 2 Beza, category sedan, price 6 ringgit, and for the hours, I will probably choose 24 hours. Okay, after that, I will order it. Okay, after we are done order, it will display the receipt details. As you can see right here, it will display the car Pro 2 Beza, category sedan, price 6 ringgit, and for the hours, it will display 24, and the total price will be 144. So after it display the receipt, we can go to the menu. Okay, so as you can see at the above, we have the profile and the display for the UiTM Perak. So I will press the profile button, and it will go to the user's profile. So as you can see right here, it will display my name, my email and my phone number. This is all displayed from the sign up, where we have to put our email, our phone number. It will display right here. So right at the bottom here, we have location and logout. Let's go to the location first. So before it is UiTM Perak. So I will choose UiTM Selangor. So at the above, from UiTM Perak, it will change to UiTM Selangor. And this is all the car available in the UiTM Selangor. So I will order Proton X70. So it will go to the order page. Car Proton X70, category SUV, price 50 ringgit. And for the hours, 6 hours. Okay, I will order it, and then it will display the receipt details. Car Proton X70, category SUV, price 15, and then hour is 6 hour, and the total price will be 90 ringgit. Okay, let's go to the menu back, and then we press the profile button, and then after that, if you want to log out, we can press this button, log out. Okay, after that it will directly ask to the login display again. Okay, next we go to the MIT app eventer, where all the process is happen. So as you can see right here, the first screen, this is the login interface. This is where the user need to put their username and have to put their password. Over here we have an enter button, where after the user put their username and password, we press the enter button and it will be directly to the locations interface. So over here, this is the sign up button. If if we have a new user, we go to the sign up first to register. So right now we go to the register, the sign up interface. Okay, right here, this is the sign up interface. For a new user, they need to put their Gmail, username, phone number and password. After that, if they put all their information and press the enter, it will directly store it into the Firebase. So this is the block for the sign up. So the user need to put their email, their username, their phone number and their password. After that, it will directly store it into the Firebase. After it already stored it, it will notice you. Your account has signed up successfully, and it will go back to the screen 1, and that is the login. So we go to the login. So right here, this is where when the user put their username and password, this is where they call back the Firebase to make sure the data is the same. So as you can see right here, this is when the user enter the button. The Firebase need to make sure that the user put the same username and the same password so that they can log in. This right here, it will get the value, and this right here is to make sure that the value is the same with the user put it in the login. So after that, if it already success, it will go directly to the screen 2, and that is the location display, location information right here. Okay, right here, this is all UiTM. So this is the block for it. Okay, right here, this we have stored all the UiTM. For example, UiTM Sampah, UiTM Sabah, UiTM Sarawak, UiTM Kelantan, UiTM Perak, UiTM Perlis, Kedah, Selangor and Melaka. So right here, if the user press UiTM Sabah, it will go directly to the screen 4, and that is the menu system. Menu. This is where all the where the user need to order their car. So right here, this is the UiTM Perak. This is just for display in the MIT App Inventor, where if in the real app, it will display UiTM Sabah. So right here, this is all the car and their information. This is their blocks. Okay, this is okay for this one. When from the screen 2, and that is location interface, it will for example, if we choose UiTM Sabah, it will set right here. So the set button 2, it will change to UiTM Sabah, which is over here. UiTM Perak will change into UiTM Sabah. So over here, this is where all the car store their value. For example, this one is for the Honda Jazz. This one, button 4 is for the Honda Acura NSX. Button 5, Toyota Velfire. Button 6, Toyota Innova. Button 7 will be store Pro 2 Beza information. Button 8 will store Pro 2 Mahdi. And button 9 will store the Proton X70 information. Okay. So when the user click order, it will go to the order page, and that is over here. This is, for example, if the user want to order Proton Beza, it will go over here. We go to the order page. We will call back all the value from the screen 4, and that is menu page. So right here, we call back the current model, the current category, and the current price, and lastly the current image. As you can see right here, screen 4, we put it text as the same name, because if we didn't put back the same name, it will not display it in the card display. So right here, it will set back all the labels that we put. As for example, label 2 will put out the current car, the model. The label 4 will display the category, and the label 6 will display the price, and the image will display the image. So right here, this is for our calculation, where we have to multiply with total hours and price. This right here, you can see that if the user put the total hours, it will display, and it will calculate it with the price that is from the system, from the TinyDB value. After that, if it already calculated, it will put it in the global total price, and it will store it into the TinyDB as well. So after that, it will go directly to the screen 9, which is the receipt display. This right here, this is the receipt display. As you can see, we call back all the store from the TinyDB, and we put it back to the receipt interface. Right here, current model, current category, current price, and total hours, and the total price for it. So as you can see right here, the label will set to global car, level 4 will category, level 6 will be price, level 8 will be total hours, and level 10 will be total price out. total price. So that's all from me. Thank you for lending me your ears.